In a large Dutch oven, heat some olive oil for a couple minutes till it's steaming, and then add the onions, leeks, and green onions. And you can use all three of these, or you could use just leeks or just onions or any combination. You're going to saute this until the vegetables are soft and a little bit translucent. I'm also going to add a clove of garlic. While my onions and leeks and green onions are sauteing and making my kitchen smell so good, I just roughly chopped a whole mess of asparagus. So 2 bunches of asparagus. I just cut the woody ends off. It's all going to get pureed at the end, so you don't need to be too fussy about how you cut it up. Now I'm going to add about 40 ounces of either vegetable stock, chicken stock, or bone broth to the asparagus, which I threw in on top of the leeks. I'm using bone broth. You want the asparagus to just be covered so that it's almost all wet. I'm gonna let it simmer 30 to 40 minutes till the asparagus is really soft. Simmer, simmer, simmer. Let the mixture cool slightly and then blend it up. I'm gonna use an immersion blender, but you could also do this in a blender or food processor. All right, here we go. Once it's completely blended and smooth, I like to add the juice of like a half of a lemon and then taste it, add a little more salt and pepper. Sometimes I add another half a lemon. Really just depends on your taste.